Exercise 1C, evaluate. In this exercise, questions related to removal of brackets we are having. Removal of brackets we can solve on the basis of BODMAS. You know about BODMAS. BODMAS means what? First we have to solve brackets, and we are having different types of brackets: small bracket, then curly bracket, then square bracket, big bracket, and one more is there, that is bar bracket. And order of these brackets: first we have to solve bar bracket vinculum, then small bracket, then curly bracket, and at last square bracket, also known as big bracket. So here questions from exercise 1C. Question number 1 you can solve. Question number 2, minus 15 plus 24 divide in bracket 15 minus 13 bracket close. As you can see in this question, only we are having one type of bracket, that is small bracket. Clear? Then as per BODMAS we have to solve. So BODMAS, the first B stands for bracket, so we have to solve your bracket first. Only this bracket we are having here, and inside bracket 15 minus 3 is there, so we are solving bracket here. So minus 15 plus 24 divide this, we have to write as it is, no change. Okay, now 15 minus 13, you know very well, answer is 2. Our bracket is solved now. After bracket we are having O, and O stands for off. We are not having any off here, so just leave there. Then D stands for division. Are we having division in this sum? Yes, we are having division. So our division is this one. So 24 divide by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. We are getting here 12. So in place of this, write minus 15, sorry, we are getting 12, minus 15 plus 12. Now in the last, minus 15 and plus 12. Minus and plus, you know that we have to subtract. One negative sign and one positive sign means subtraction. And the sign depends on digit, which digit is greater. 12 and 15 we are having here, and in 12 and 15, 15 is bigger, so the sign of 15 is negative. So 15 minus 12, that is 3, but negative sign we have to write, so minus 3 will be required answer for this question. Okay, this is your question number 2. Then question number 3 and question number 4 and question number 5, these 3 are same. I am solving here question number 3. Question number 3, as you can see, we are having here vinculum, then small bracket, and then curly bracket. We are not having here square bracket, that is big bracket. So as per removal of brackets, first we will solve bar bracket, that is vinculum. And in the last live session I explained you that if you are having vinculum in a question, and just before the vinculum if you are having a positive sign, then inside the vinculum there will be no changes. मैंने लाइव क्लास में एक्सप्लेन किया था आपको कि अगर ब्रैकेट रिमूवल के क्वेश्चंस में आपके पास अगर बार ब्रैकेट से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन आता है, तो बार ब्रैकेट के जस्ट पहले आपको ये देखना है कि वहाँ पे साइन पॉजिटिव है कि निगेटिव है. यहाँ पे बार ब्रैकेट जो है वो 2 से स्टार्ट हो रहा है और 3 तक जा रहा है, ठीक है. तो 2 से जस्ट पहले जो है वो प्लस साइन है, तो बार ब्रैकेट के पहले अगर प्लस साइन होता है, पॉजिटिव साइन होता है, तो बार ब्रैकेट के अंदर जो भी वैल्यू होती है वो चेंज नहीं होती है, वो एज इट इज होती है. क्लियर? सो नेक्स्ट स्टेप दैट व्हाट वी हैव टू राइट. सो वी हैव टू राइट 35 minus curly bracket 15 plus 14 minus 13 plus. Now बार ब्रैकेट वी आर सॉल्विंग ईयर, तो बार ब्रैकेट के पहले पॉजिटिव साइन है तो कुछ भी नहीं करना है, सेम उसके अंदर एज इट इज़ जो भी था उसको एज इट इज़ लिखना है और बार ब्रैकेट रिमूव करना है. बार ब्रैकेट सॉल्व हो गया है. क्लियर? अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, if you are having positive sign just before the bar bracket, so in the next step write the question as it is and just remove the bar bracket. If you are having positive sign then only. Now bar bracket is solved. Next is small bracket. As you can see we are having a small bracket here. Okay, so as per board mass 13 plus 2 15, 15 plus 3 18. So we have to write 35 minus curly bracket 15 plus 14 minus small bracket start. 13 plus 2 15, 15 plus 3 18, 18 minus 1 curly bracket close. Now 35 minus curly bracket start 15 plus 14. Now 18 minus 1, you know 17, so minus in bracket 17. So now we are going to remove this small bracket, so our answer will be like our value will be like minus 17. Okay, again inside bracket, so before this curly bracket we are having negative sign. Now you can solve this question. That means now you can solve this step in two ways. You can solve by removing bracket, or also you can solve by solving bracket first. यहाँ पे आप two ways से इसको solve कर सकते हैं. The first way is 35 minus curly bracket start 15 plus 14, that is 29 minus 17 bracket close. Then again 35 minus 29 minus 17, 29 minus 17 is 12, so remove this bracket. Now 35 minus 12, answer is 23. Okay, so this is the one way which you can solve, and another way is like write 35. Now before this bracket we are having negative sign, and as I explained you in the last live session, if you are having a negative sign before a bracket, then the element or the digits inside that bracket will have change in sign. तो यहाँ पे ये curly bracket के just पहले negative sign है, तो यहाँ पे ये sign change होगा. So first we have to write, ये plus 15 था inside तो minus 15, plus 14 that means minus 14, minus 17 that means plus 17. Now 35 is a positive value, 17 is also a positive value. So 35 plus 17, that is 52. And minus 15 and minus 14, minus 15 and minus 14, minus and minus plus, but negative sign will be there. So 15, 14, 29. So minus 29. And from there we are getting 23. So answer is same, but this two process anyone you can follow. Okay, so now question number 4 you can solve. Question number 5 is same also. Okay, then question number 5 I will explain you in next video.